That's right. The post-Christmas rally for gold prices has been extremely fruitful because if you have a look at the last 5 days of the year, what has happened to gold prices is that it has been positive 7 out of the 10 times during the post-Christmas rally, which is the period from 25th of December to 31st of December that we are tracking. Not only that, on an average, it has managed to gain just about 0.5% during each of these times. Also interesting to note that how the trend has played out is that 7 out of 10 times, which is 70% of the times, it has returned positive. Last few years have been on the alternating front, so going by this trend, this year could be extremely interesting, because if you see 2021, it's currently down about 0.5%, but we still have about a week of trading to go for this particular trend. And ever since 2016, the last 5 days have been positive for prices of gold. Not only that, but the month of Jan has been extremely good for this asset class, because on average it has managed to gain about 4.5% during the 5-year as well as 10-year period. And if you compare that to the S&P 500, gold has outshined S&P 500 and also the Nifty as well, because that has returned on average about half to 1% in the last 5 to 10 years. Let's have a look at how prices have turned out in the month of January for gold. It has in fact managed to snap its 7-year January gaining streak in 2021, but before that, 7 years on the trot, you can see right from 2020, 2014, it had been positive, and these are substantial gains. If you have a look at 2012, 11% return, and then you have 2015, 8.5%, and the other years also generating about 4 to 5% average return. So definitely, will be interesting to see how the month of January plays out for the yellow metal.
Right. Okay, let's move on. Let's